Hi there, how's it going? Lori here on Vancouver Island, and I am back in the art room today, and we're going to be painting. I have this 12 by 12 canvas, and as you can see, I've finished off the back of it and put my tape on there, and I'm going to use my pinks and my blue and my purple again because I love them so much, and I want to have two of these paintings this size that are the same color set, even though I didn't pour them together because I really don't have enough room on my table to be pouring much bigger than this. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna stick with, but I'm going to try to, I'm going to do it the same method, and I'm going to blow it the same way, so we will see what happens. So welcome. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming in and spending some of your day with me and hitting that like button, leaving a comment. Those are fantastic. I try to answer all of them, even sometimes with copy and paste, but I do try to answer all of the comments and try to leave something a little bit personal, because I really do appreciate when you stop in and hit that like button and say hello. Anyway, so we're going to do the royal we. I am going to do a Dutch pour because I love them so much, and of course because that's what's going to match the other one over there. So let's get to it and pour some paint. This is just as stunning as the first one, and I'm starting to get a bunch of cells popping up here and there, and they're different colors, so I don't mind them. I just don't like it when all I get is white cells, right? That makes me a little bit crazy. So I don't know. I'm going to come in here with my torch, and I don't know that I even want to stretch it. I might try to stretch it a little bit here to get it to go to the corners, although with the other one I've got two colored corners and two white corners, so I may just leave it because I am going to hang these side by side, even though of course they're not exact. They are the same colors. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this dries. I'll bring you down for a close-up when it does. So here it is, all dry, and oh my gosh, it is just stunning. It doesn't have as much white as the other one does, but oh my gosh, look at the colors and the cells. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. I know I'm a little bit biased because I made it, but I think it's just stunning. I never would have thought that I could make things like this. So, oh my gosh, guys, really, I know I've said this since my first paint pouring video that if you have not tried this and you're looking for a relaxing, fun and exciting hobby, this is the one. So give it a try. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my art space and watching me pour some paint. I always have more fun when you're here with me. So have yourselves a fantastic day. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.